So in this video we're going to solve exercise 1B question number 8. So it has two parts, 8A and 8B. So the part 8A, similar sum is actually done in also in worked example 1.7. So please do check that out also. So for this question, actually 8A and B, the polynomial equation that is given is this: 2x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So they are now asked, you have to show that 2sn plus 3 minus sn plus 2 plus sn plus 1 minus 5sn is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what you have to show, that this is what that you have to prove from here. So that's not, so the technique that we are going to use, so Sn plus 3. So what I can do is that if I multiply this whole equation, the left hand side and the right hand side, by x to the power n, this will convert to this. From here I can get this just by multiplying by x to the power n. Alright, so from here, if you look at the solutions, our solutions are what? Our solutions are alpha, beta and gamma. So after I multiply by x to the power n, then actually there is one more solution, 0. 0 will also solve this equation, the value of x. However, but that is when you're calculating the sum, adding 0 is immaterial. So the roots are alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha, beta, so I can insert alpha here, I can insert beta, I can also insert gamma. So after that, if I add all of them, so I'll get what? I'll get basically 2sn plus 3 minus s. So basically sn plus 3, what I mean is that alpha to the power n plus 3 plus beta to the power n plus 3 plus gamma to the power n plus 3. Similarly, sn plus 2 plus sn plus 1 minus 5 sn, which is equal to 0. So from this step, automatically we can actually get this expression. If you want to break it down further, but show more steps, then you can actually write like for example 2 alpha to the power n plus 3 minus alpha to the power n plus 2 in this way, then 2 beta n plus 3, then 2 gamma. If you want to break it down further, write this like entire equation putting alpha, beta and gamma and then showing the addition. So this is what you get. So this is actually the part A. So this is how actually we prove that. So the magic step was basically multiplying this equation by x to the power n. Okay, so that is question number part 8A. Now we are going to solve part 8B. So the part 8B, the initial equation is the same, 2x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So you have to find the value of s minus 2. So s minus 2, what do you mean by s minus 2? S minus 2 means 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square. That is 1 by alpha square means alpha to the power minus 2 plus beta to the power minus 2 plus gamma to the power minus 2. So a way of solving this would actually be that actually if you notice s minus 2, from here directly we don't get this s minus 2 even if I add the roots, like by inserting alpha, by inserting beta and by inserting gamma here, if I add also I don't get actually something similar to this. I don't get s minus 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this whole expression by x square. So after that I get 2x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 5 by x square is equal to 0. Alright. Now, actually the roots are what? The roots are alpha, beta and gamma. So, if I insert them, so 2 alpha minus 1 plus 1 by alpha minus 5 by alpha square, similar like this. 2 alpha minus 1 plus 1 by alpha minus 5 by alpha square is equal to 0. Similarly, you can have what? You will put beta and also gamma. And if I add all of them, so I basically get 2s1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, it comes 3 times. So this becomes minus 3. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. I get s minus 1 and here minus 5 s minus 2 is equal to 0. Please write this expression down. Okay, as you will need it later. So here, so the value of s1 I can find very easily. The value of s1 is equal to, from here it is 1 by 2. Okay, done. At the same time, and the value of s minus 1 is basically what? Is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. So if I simplify, so alpha, beta, gamma, and here I have the basically beta gamma plus alpha beta. So this is basically summation of alpha beta. So this is equal to the value of s minus 1 is going to be alpha beta, the value is going to be 1 by 2, half. 1 by 2, half, divided by alpha beta gamma, the value is going to be minus 5 by 2. So the value is going to be 1 by 5. The value of s minus 1 is going to be 1 by 5. Okay, so we have found out already the value of, we know the value of s1, we know the value of s minus 1 also. So that is 1 by 5. Now we can actually insert the values over here to get the value of s minus 2. So 2 into half minus 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 5 into s minus 2. So here the only unknown is s minus 2. So s minus 2, the value we get is minus 9 by 25. This is the answer. Minus 9 by 25.